Hello Cambridge Cricket Academy students. Today we are going to learn about fielding, and in fielding the basics are catching practice. That is very important. So today I will going to teach you that the most important part is your palm should be very much open, right? So it is like this, okay, so that the ball will not come out of your palm, okay. So and you have to close it like this, close it, okay. So it is like this, closing towards your off, towards your leg, okay. So when I say off, this is your off stump. When I say leg, this is your leg stump. So off stump, leg stump, okay, and middle, okay, fine. So it is like this, and like this. So every time your head, your eye should be towards the ball, and when you hold the ball, it should be towards the hand as well, okay. So let's practice. I will show you. Akash and Sagar will show you the how we will going to practice, okay.
Middle, offside, left side, offside, offside, left side, middle, off,
Now you can see off leg. So now in this case you can also come to know, oh, good catch,
off,
the side of the stumps,
off, middle, off,
ठीक है.
middle, offside, middle, middle, off,
Now some low catches, okay, some low catches, okay. So you have to bend a little bit more and low catches, very low catches, and this is a practice of reflection as well. Now you have to give difficult catches. Yes, that's it, very good. And you don't have to wait. Yes, चलो फटाफट जैसे आपके हाथ में बॉल आए तुरंत आपके ओपोनेंट के पास बॉल दे दो. Yes, that's good, ठीक है, no problem. Ready for the next ball. Yes, शाबाश, this is good. Yes, very good. Come on. हाँ, yes, शाबाश. इसमें आपके लेग्स का स्ट्रेंथ, आपका आई हैंड कोऑर्डिनेशन, रिफ्लेक्शन and catching ability, yes, improves a lot. Very good catch, that's very nice, okay, that's good, very good. See, yes, good reflection, right, very good. Now see, yes, very good. So your ability of catching a ball will increase like any student. Today we learned how to catch the close catching positions, right? The close catching position stance is always a very important stance, because you cannot stand like this, because you have to spread your legs, right, if you want to bend this much, okay. And if you want to bend more, in that case you have to stretch your leg little bit more, spread your legs, and like this, okay, like this. So your body weight is not back, okay. See, the most important part is your body weight is on toe, okay, and you are ready. So why it is very important on toe? Because if Akash wants to jump this side, he can, right? See, okay. Now if Akash wants to catch this ball, absolutely right, okay. And suppose it is very difficult catch, which is very low catch, yes. So that's why this toe plays a very important role and very vital role. So your position should be, okay, is on toe, right? Your body weight is forward, not backward, okay. It will be forward so that you can catch every ball which comes towards you and which goes away from you, okay. When it goes away from you, you can immediately hold that ball and you can hold it like this, okay. So we will understand this very much in this position, okay. Now close catches, you have to spread your leg a bit on toe, okay, and this is close catches, okay. Why it is close catches I'm saying? So that when it comes up, right, so your body should go also up, but you know that the ball will come very close to you and very low to you, then your position should be. This position is very important in test matches. Okay? And also when batsmen struggling a lot. Also, a good spinner required such. You can holding. Yes. Look at this. Yes, absolutely right. Yes. Okay. And when it comes to him up, right? So he can immediately, because of his position in on toe, he can catch. Right? Or in the case of rapid, okay, he can also reflect. So he can come up, he can, right? He can move as much as he can. Okay? So thank you so much, students. Keep on practicing. How to practice? You can choose a wall, right? I'm showing you this, right? You can have a wall, right? Just bend yourself. Like. Okay, bye.